Hi guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A34 and let me show you how to clear browsing data. So at first you need to open the browser that you are using and tap on More icon. Here click on History and select Clear Browsing Data. Here you'll find basic and advanced options, so under basic you've got browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files, and then under advanced you've got few more, and these are saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. Then choose the time range and select the time after which you want to delete your history. So if it's from the beginning, choose all time, or if you wish to delete history from past week only, choose last 7 days. But let me choose all time, then tap on clear data, and that's it. It has been done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.